What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel, and I got another awesome product review for you today. What do you think it is? Can you guess? It's these two awesome Workpro tools headlamps. I got two different versions today. I got the industrial version and the regular version. Both are rechargeable. I'm going to go over the features on them, and then we're going to do like a comparison. I'm going to show you which one is, they're both good, but I'm going to show you which one is better. So tomorrow, we're going to head out on the 4 a.m. dog walk out in the Florida wilderness. Pitch black. I live on a dirt road, not a street light in sight for miles. And there's no lights at all. Nobody turns the lights on at night because it attracts the bugs. So it's pitch black out. So stay tuned for that. We'll see how good these headlamps do. Don't go anywhere. All right, so right now I am in an attic space at a home inspection. I'm wearing the Workpro 700 Lumen headlamp. This is the low flood. This is the high flood. And this is the spotlight. I think I like the high flood the best, which is this one right here. Great light. I could see the whole attic space. All right, so I got both of these lights out of the box, these headlamps out of the boxes. This one I took on a home inspection the other day. I'll just show you that video footage in a minute. Did pretty well, but I wish I would have took, this is the regular version, it's rechargeable. This is the industrial version. This one's 700 lumens, the industrial version's 1200 lumens. I wish I would have took this one with me, but I took this one with me. This one I tried already outside. It's insane how bright this thing is. I was blinding myself a couple times. Anyway, this is the Workpro 700 lumen. This is the Workpro industrial 1200 lumen headlamp. So basically what comes in the box is the headlamp and a USB-C charger. One on each box, and we have the instructions too. So these things have so many features on them, I don't know if I could get to them all in this one video. But anyway, this is made by Workpro. If you go to workprotools.com, I'm ecstatic to have partnered with them. They got a whole bunch of product lines out from Great Star. So anyway, check out their tools, workprotools.com. I could use half of the things that are in this picture right now. But anyway, let's get to the lights. So as far as the 700, they both have motion sensor features on them. But this is the 700 lumen. I'm trying not to blind you. This is the 700 lumen. It's got 3 different light features. Got that one, and then it's got a spotlight. So it's got 2 floodlights on a spotlight. And then as far as the motion sensor goes on the 700 lumen, on any light mode, it double press the light bulb, the on-off switch twice, and it turns on the motion sensor, and you'll see the blue lights underneath are lit up. So this is the motion sensor on this one, and this one swivels up and down, and it's got the charging port on the bottom, and here's the light indicator. Tells you how much battery life you got left, and this is the charging indicator as well. So this is 700 lumen, this is a 1200 lumen. Wait till you see the light on this thing. I don't want to blind you, but this has a red, infrared, got double spotlight, single spotlight. And this one also just swivels up and down like that. You put it on your head. Charging port on the bottom. And then as far as the motion sensor goes on this one, on any mode, you press the button to the right here, and turns the sensor on and off. So what I really like about both of these, besides they swivel up and down, they're fully adjustable, and they got a nice wide silicone band that has got a little grip material on it. So I used this one the other day with a hat in a home inspection in the attic, and it fit right on my head. I adjusted it pretty well, and it didn't really move. So it was a great help on my home inspection. Same thing with this one, fully adjustable. It's got a little contour in the front. Put it on your head. You could put it, wear it with a hat, and it'll stay put. So on the 700 lumen rechargeable Workpro headlamp, the LED life is 50,000 hours. The weight is about 120 grams. Working hours is 4.5 to 11 hours, depending on what mode you use. Charging time is about 3.5 hours. So that is the 700 mode, 700 lumen light. And this is the 1200 lumen Workpro rechargeable industrial headlamp with motion sensor. 1200 lumens, 50,000 hours. Working hours is 2.5 to 32 after fully charged, depending on what mode you use. It takes about 3 hours to charge it. Type-C USB charging port. So that is about it for the short version of all these features. WorkProTools.com. Check them out. They got a whole lineup of awesome tools. All right, so right now it's about 3:55 a.m. I'm out on the 4 a.m. dog walk, and it's 28 degrees in northern Florida right now. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out of my mouth. Right now I'm wearing the Workpro 1200 headlamp on the full floodlight. So right now it's lighting up that tree over there. Pretty much lighting up the street. So let me turn it off and I'll show you what that looks like. That's what it looks like with that light off. Pitch black. There's not a street light for miles. So here is I'm going to give you an example. Do a comparison. So let's turn on the spotlight on the 1200. All right, so there's the spotlight on the 1200 lumen headlamp, and it's lighting up the tree pretty good. I can see the tree right there, and I could almost light up the trees back there 330 feet. But it's lighting up the street pretty good. And that's full floodlight. So it's lighting everything up pretty good. Let's try the 700 lumen. So here's the 700 lumen on the lowest setting. And then there's the spotlight on the 700 lumen. Spotlight works pretty good. I can see the trees right there. And I can see that tree. I can see down the street. It's not really showing the trees back there. Back at 330 feet, I can see them a little bit, but the spotlight on the 700 lumen is pretty impressive. You could wear this all by itself, or you could get the more powerful 1200 one. But I'm pretty impressed with the 700. I didn't think it would be this good. So that's the spotlight on the 700. And that is the spotlight on the 1200. So it's Lumen, I could almost see the trees back at 330 feet. But it's lighting everything up pretty good. So that's pretty much a wrap for the review and night field test of the Workpro 700 and 1200 lumen headlamps. Both rechargeable, both have motion sensors, and great budget-friendly headlamps at a $20 price point. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate you all. I'm trying to get over 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm getting pretty close. I think I'm at 8,000 right now. So my dog Dallas would appreciate it too. And hit that like button if you haven't hit the, if you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment. If you have any questions on anything, I'll leave a discount code in the description for a discount code. You can use my discount code to get one of these. But the 1200 is definitely impressive. The 700 is good as well. Right now it's lighting up this whole street. It's 28 degrees in northern Florida right now, and I'm freezing. I didn't move to Florida to freeze. But anyway, that's a wrap. I will see you on the next one.